Very good morning to you children. Here is Mrs. Sumati, your social studies teacher with chapter 7 Handicrafts and Handlooms part 3, and previously we studied about that the weaving position of the Dharmavaram sarees, means the patent rights of the Dharmavaram sarees, and stages of the weaving of sari. That's all we studied. Now we are going to study about the handicrafts and handlooms, in that the case study of Dharmavaram, means one family, how the life of the family of Dharmavaram weavers it is there, it is given. See, Venkatesu, he is a resident of the Dharmavaram, means his native is Dharmavaram, and all of his family members, Venkatesu, his wife, his son and daughter-in-law, these all working as a weavers only. But when they visited his house, they means here some of the teachers group, they visited to find out the problems of the weavers of the Dharmavaram. So when they visited their house, they found all members in the family engaged in different works of the weaving. While the Venkatesh is weaving winding yarn, of course Venkatesh is winding the yarn, means yarn is making into bundles, and Venkatesh's son is Nagendra, he is engaged that weaving on the Maggam. Maggam means pit loom. So that is set up inside the house only, Maggam is set up, and on that Maggam he is weaving actually. Since he has become old, who Venkatesh, so Venkatesh spends most of the time winding yarn and his son weaves on the loom. Actually Venkatesh became the old person now, so he is always engaged with most of the time for the winding the yarn only. That means the thread to make it bundles, and his son Nagendra is totally engaged with the weaving of the sari. So here you see, this is the Maggam. This is pit loom it is called. Venkatesh's wife and daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law means no? We'll say in Telugu, Kodalu. Venkatesh's wife and Nagendra's wife doing the bobbin winding. That means thread to make it into bobbins. And there is some other work like making sharatas for warping done collectively by group of weavers. That is on the streets or outside the house. Actually, warp and weft I said, so that warp work, whatever it is there, to do that work, mostly the weavers choose that group of weavers have to do that, and on the streets they may make it, otherwise outside the house, wherever other families or on other road also they can choose that. So for warping, okay. And his son Nagendra brings all the raw material. Venkatesh became old, so Nagendra is main person to bring all the raw material, that is for dyed silk yarn, means already colors applied, jari designs from master weaver. Master weaver means the person who is providing total financial support to the weaver's family, and sometimes from the cooperative society, that is like a bank, okay, cooperative society of which he is a member. Nagendra is a member of the cooperative society also. Actually collectively they will be benefited. Cooperative society means who are the members, they will be collectively benefited. So Nagendra sometimes brings from the master weaver all the items, raw materials, otherwise sometimes from the cooperative society. At a time Venkatesh gets raw materials to weave 10 saris. Actually to weave 10 saris they get the raw material. At a time they have to do that. Already I taught previous class. So 75 meters of long warp they make it. With the 10 saris they can weave. So the whole family has to work for 12 to 15 hours per day, nearly 40 to 50 days to weave 10 saris. For weaving 10 saris, it takes 40 to 50 days, and mostly every day they work for 12 to 15 hours. See here the picture. This is for making of weft or warp thread bundles they are making, bobbin making. Okay, this thread only afterwards they utilize for the warp and weft. Okay, see, this is the warp making on the straights. Actually, single person is not sufficient. More workers are needed to making warp. Warp means vertical threads. Already this is made actually vertical thread, and they have to make it horizontal threads. Okay, and this is called actually where they are making the warping. This is sharatas. Okay, and they get about 1300 rupees per sari for the work. Actually, 40 to 50 days if they are working, 10 saris they can make. That each sari they get 1300 rupees. Means approximately, of course you can multiply 10 with, that means 13,000 for 10 saris. So weaving sari, it is a hereditary wise occupation. Means from the great grandfathers onwards, they have the same occupation for the Venkatesh's family. So they are depending on totally that occupation only. So the income Venkatesh's family gets from weaving silk sarees, it is not sufficient to run the family. That 13,000 for 2 months is can't be sufficient because they are working for 40 to 50 days, approximately 2 months. So that amount is not sufficient. But during March and May, some other problem they are facing. That is, Venkatesh's family is able to weave only a few hours a day because that is a summertime, more temperatures they'll get it, that is high temperature, and sometimes while the weaving is going on, thread will get cut in between. So quality won't be there for the sari. So the whole family works only till afternoon during these days. That means timings were reduced now. So more days it will take to complete that work. Women are distressed a lot. Actually, men it is different, but women totally face problems because they have to do weaving related works for the saris, and also they have to take care of the household chores. Actually, cooking food, fetching water, preparing the children to go to school, or whatever it is, some more extra works are there for the women members. So they will be feel totally distressed. Earlier, Venkatesh's family used to weave only for cooperative society. Before, Venkatesh's family used to get the raw materials from the cooperative society, and after weaving, the saris also they used to provide to the cooperative society. So the cooperative society is providing financial assistance. That means how much money is necessary for them, that money is provided to the Venkatesh's family, and through insurance. Whenever they need that insurance, of course, assistance is given. That means money is provided, and along with that, insurance in case of unexpected illness. If suppose they get any health problems, some amount they may be provided, or suppose any death in the weaver's family also, they get some of the insurance. LIC, no, life insurance. So same way, this is also another insurance. And they also help in getting loan for construction of houses. And mostly they can get the loan from the cooperative society for construction of their houses. These days, cooperative society is not giving sufficient work. Nowadays, the cooperative society is not providing the proper work because they have to look for, because of that reason, the Venkatesh's family is actually looking for some other work because that amount is not sufficient and the cooperative society is not providing. So, some other additional work they are choosing to get the income to run their family. Since a master weaver, the middle person, if the cooperative societies are not providing, they have to depend on other persons. So who are providing money, financial matters, of course, assistance, they have to depend on that person. So a master weaver in Dharmavaram agreed to give the work to this family, not only the Venkatesh's family, even other weavers' family also they provide. and the payment for work would supplement his income for the family. So whatever the payment the master weaver is providing, that is actually somewhat income it is providing to the Venkatesh's family. But Venkatesh's family began weaving silk saree for the master weaver. For the middle person only, they started to provide sarees. And Venkatesha has not given up the membership with the cooperative society and hopes that it will improve its functioning in the coming days. Actually, Venkatesha is a member of the cooperative society. So, while he is working for the master weaver, he didn't leave the membership of the cooperative society because he has the hope that it may improve. Some days it may improve his position. Then the cooperative society may function well in coming days for the future. It may improve their lives also. He felt it. Though they have own loom due to lack of investment, raw materials, new designs, market facilities, they have to depend upon master weavers. Actually, they don't have the investment to purchase the items. They have their own loom. You know that already. I saw I have kept the picture. What is the loom or pick loom also. So that loom they have their own, but like investment is not there. Raw materials are not there. New designs also not there. That is on the chalkboard cards. And market facilities also they don't have. So for these all reasons they have to depend on the master weavers. Recently, number of factories started in and around Dharmavaram with more number of looms. But nowadays what's happened? Not actually loom means hand loom. Their hand they are making with the hand on Makkam. But nowadays many factories started around the Dharmavaram or inside the Dharmavaram. More number of looms they have. Each factory may be 10 or 20 like that numbers they have. So in each factory there are about, you see that 100 to 300 looms, means more looms only now. And not only that, those who are working in the factories were provided, here the weavers provided shelter and salary, means house and salaries also provided monthly wise. Then it's became easy for those working in the factories now. That is also reduced the work of the family of Venkatesha. So here is the assignment. You have to do, name the tools to make Dharmavaram silk sarees, how many days it will take for the Venkatesha's family for weaving 10 sarees, when do his family unable to weave saree full day, who provides financial assistance to the weavers' families. This all you can answer if you listen to the video well.